Our next podcast will be from the surface of the moon.
Wishing everybody back on Earth a pleasant evening.
We have a pretty successful broadcast. Thank you very much, Houston.
We've got a couple of housekeeping procedures for you.
Roger that. I am working on it. Houston, we have a problem.
Sounds like we've got a situation. Houston, we have a problem, is a famous line from the Apollo 13 mission in 1970, originally recorded by astronaut Jack Swigert. Houston, we've had a problem here, after an oxygen tank explosion, later popularized by the movie Apollo 13 as the slightly shorter. Houston, we have a problem. Used to signal a major issue requiring urgent attention. The phrase is now a common idiom for acknowledging a serious, unexpected difficulty, often with a touch of understatement or irony, signaling a need for immediate focus and problem solving.
The server just crashed 5 minutes before the presentation. Houston, we have a problem.
The assignment is due tonight, and my laptop won't turn on. Houston, we have a problem.
The car won't start and I'm already late. Houston, we have a problem.
Want to learn more space-related idioms and phrases? Join the Cosmic English free course, only on Cosmic Vibes.